Here's how you can download Google Drive photos to your iPhone. First, open the Google Drive app on your iPhone and go to the folder where your photos are stored. Now, long press on any photo to select it. You can then select multiple photos one by one. If you want to select all the photos in the folder, simply tap Select All. Once you've selected the photos you want, tap the three dots and choose Download. That's it! Your selected Google Drive photos will be downloaded to your iPhone's Photos app. And that's how you can easily download photos from Google Drive to your iPhone. Thanks for watching.